check out these premium bread bags that I have. The company sent me these months ago. It was even before I had had any really successful sourdough bread, but I really appreciate that they sent me these because I use them all the time now. They really keep my bread fresh when I bake. They have an inside lined BPA free bag, and then it's like another bag, so it's a double. You zip them up, you roll it up close to your bread, and you clip it. And it keeps your bread fresher for longer, which is really important because your sourdough doesn't have a lot of things in it. They can also go in the freezer in this because you can freeze your sourdough once you've made it. It comes with two. So there's the gray one that I have, and I have this blue one. They're really easy to clean. I just washed this one. It had chocolate chip sourdough in it, believe it or not, and it was all over. I'm not sure that I would do that again, but it came off super quick. Washed off really easily. It wasn't all sticky. I was afraid it would be really sticky. And then you just put this bag right back down inside. And you're ready to go again for the next time. So I really do love that. It's easy to clean, and it's actually washer safe. So I could throw these in the washing machine. Really like them. Check it out for yourself. I would buy these for myself now that I've used them.